welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is white pulao. So to make our white pulao, we'll be using the following ingredients. Here I have taken about 1 cup of rice. This is cooked rice. You can use already cooked rice or you can cook specially for this. Here I have cooked just for this white pulao. What I have done is I have boiled some water. In the boiling water I have added the khada masalas, that is the bay leaf, black elaichi, green elaichi, long and dalchini, and then I have added the rice and I have added some ghee to it and I have cooked the rice. You can do it with the leftover rice also. Even with that it tastes really good. Capsicum, which I have chopped into thin juliennes like this. 10 to 12 beans, which I have chopped finely. 20 grams of matar or peas. 1 medium-sized carrot, which I have again chopped finely. 75 grams of paneer, which I have cut into cubes like this. 2 chillies. Around 2 tablespoons of oil. Salt to taste. This much of javithri or mace. And around 3 cloves. And around 5 peppercorns. Fried onion for garnishing. To make our white pulao, first we'll have to heat a pan on medium flame. Once our pan is heated, we'll add in about 1 tablespoon of oil. We'll heat the oil also on medium flame. Oil is heated. Now we will add in the paneer cube. We will fry the paneer cubes till they turn golden brown or slightly brown from both the sides. Keep your flame on medium while you're doing all of this. Our paneer has turned golden brown from both the sides. We will take this out and put it in some hot water. Paneer has a tendency of becoming tough once it's fried. So to avoid that, we will put it in the hot water. In the similar pan, we'll heat the remaining oil on medium-high flame. After your oil is heated, add in the khada masalas and also turn your flame to full. Once your khada masalas release their oil, turn your flame to medium and add in the chillies. Saute the chilli for about 10 seconds until it splutters and then add in the beans. Saute the beans for about 2 to 3 minutes. The beauty of this white pulao is that it tastes equally good with freshly cooked rice and even with the leftover rice. After about 2 minutes, we will add in the carrots and we will add in the matar and we'll saute till our matar is cooked, which should take somewhere between 4 to 5 minutes. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You can even add aloo or gobi to this or even broccoli. After about 3 minutes, we will add in some salt. Remember that we've already added salt to our rice. We have to add salt just to our vegetables. So add salt accordingly. After our matar is sauteed, we will add in our capsicum. Saute the capsicum for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now, once you saute your capsicum, turn your flame to full low and add in the rice. We'll also add in our fried paneer cubes. Mix it with very gentle hands. Ensure to use gentle hands when you're mixing. If you mix it harshly, then there are chances that our rice grains might break, and that is something which we don't want. So mix it with light. Now we will close the lid and we'll turn the flame to full low and let it cook on low flame for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, we'll just check on it. Yeah, our white pulao is cooked perfectly. So now we will transfer this into our serving bowl. Garnish it with some fried onions and some coriander leaves. So there you go. Our white pulao is ready to be served. You can serve it with some raita. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.